Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable Telegram Stories vibration only when your phone is on silent, so you stay notified without unnecessary interruptions. If you use Telegram Stories regularly, you've probably noticed how frequent alerts can get. The good news is, Telegram gives you control over how those notifications behave, including limiting vibration to silent mode only. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon in the top corner. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines or your profile icon. Next, go into Settings. This is where all your app preferences and notification controls are located. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. Here, you'll find different categories for messages, groups, calls, and stories. Now tap on Stories. This section specifically controls how you receive alerts for Telegram stories. Once you're inside, look for more options and tap on it. This will open additional customization settings that aren't visible in the main Stories menu. From there, tap on Vibrate. You'll see several vibration options depending on your device settings. Finally, choose Only on Silent. This option ensures your phone will only vibrate for Telegram stories when your device is set to silent mode, helping you avoid distractions during normal use while still staying updated when your phone is muted. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Telegram Stories notifications for a more balanced experience. This small tweak can make a big difference, especially if you want to stay informed without constant buzzing throughout the day.